Hello and welcome to Celoxis. Today we will understand how Celoxis helps you manage your portfolios, programs, and projects. Unlike traditional project management, which focuses on the success of individual projects, PPM looks at the bigger picture. This involves selecting the right projects, prioritizing them, allocating resources, and continuously monitoring the progress to ensure alignment with strategic objectives and your portfolios. In this video, let's focus on monitoring progress across your portfolios. The project section on your left-hand side menu will show you all the active projects of your organization that you are currently working on. When you click on any of the projects you see here, an overview opens with all the information in a single click. You can click here to navigate to the Gantt chart, which allows you to plan and visualize your project timeline. Here, you can create tasks, set dependencies, assign resources, and track overall progress. The solution helps you align your project timelines. You can also assign resources based on job roles and specific skills, ensuring the right people are assigned to the right tasks, which is something we've covered in a separate video. Besides this, you can also navigate to your portfolio Gantt, a cross-project Gantt chart that gives you an overview of the multiple projects connected to a single or multiple portfolios. Here, you can visually track the project timelines to understand how your projects across the portfolio are progressing and track what is delayed, what is on track, and what is upcoming. You can also drill down to the details that you need here to track dependencies and understand progress. All this information is displayed on the portfolio dashboard for your executives or portfolio managers so they can understand and track its success. Each dashboard is specific to a role, such as portfolio manager, project manager, or resource manager. Similarly, you can have dashboards specific to the information you wish to see, like tracking risks, your lessons learned, or even your revenue dashboard. The dashboard and widgets that you see here are customizable, and you can create your own widgets or modify the existing ones. This is the core strength of Celoxis. As you can see, this dashboard provides an overview of all the ongoing projects across the portfolio. It provides real-time insights into the overall project health, progress, budget, and more. You can easily identify what projects are on track, what needs your attention, and where resources might be stretched. These metrics allow you to see the count of active projects, your planned versus actual budget efforts, and the risks across these projects. As you scroll down further, you can track the timeline of these projects and see visually the completed milestones and the upcoming ones. The Portfolio Roadmap is one of the most widely used widgets in Celoxis. It offers a quick understanding of projects across the portfolio and the deadline. You can click here to drill down and see more details. Besides this, the budget distribution is used to understand which portfolio uses the maximum budget. As you scroll down, you can see the aggregated budget details or the cost. You can see it across your portfolio. You can drill down on any of these widgets to focus on things that need your attention. For example, the IT portfolio here shows yellow and needs further drilled out. The three programs you see here, custom development, networking, and infrastructure, roll up to your IT portfolio. Over here, you can see that the custom development program seems problematic. You can see a one-line summary from your PMOs or project managers. You can then drill down further to see this program's specific initiatives or projects and understand which initiative needs your help. You can easily switch between the dashboards to focus on things that might be of interest. So, for example, over here, you can manage and look at the risks across your portfolio. Here you can see the risk across the initiatives with probability and impact. You can drill down to be able to see more details. As you further scroll down, you can see the top risks across the projects followed by the projects which have the highest VAR, that is value at risk. Similarly, you can see VAR by the managers and by the different verticals, which you can see in real time over here. The resource views that are covered in a separate video allow you to track and manage the workload across your projects and portfolios, so that you understand, month on month, how the resources utilization has been compared to their total availability. You can also track the workload by the role. You can see the resources across their portfolio and the roles to be able to understand how the resources are occupied across the time frame or the period that you've selected here. Finally, let's look at another dashboard that gives you insight into the number of projects in each stage, the cost spent compared to the budgeted amounts and the projects by your portfolio. As you scroll down, you can then track the individual summary of the initiatives to understand how the projects are progressing. As you further scroll down, you can track the timeline or even understand the current status of these initiatives as provided by the respective managers. So that is how Celoxis helps you with managing your portfolios and programs, ensuring that your projects work together to drive your organization's success. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.